Shwmae! This is the third and a very short video recapping of the first unit of the Mynediad course.
In this unit, Uned 3, you will have learned how to say I want using the word eisiau. Dwi eisiau. For example, dwi eisiau car newydd. I want a new car.
You have learned the question, do you want? Wyt ti eisiau? For example, wyt ti eisiau diod? Do you want a drink? And the answer to the question, ydw, yes I do, and nac ydw, no I do not.
You have also learned how to say that you do not want something. Dwi ddim eisiau. Dwi ddim eisiau coffee. I don't want a coffee.
You have learned how to use eisiau when talking about us, dy ni. For example, dy ni eisiau dawnsio heno. We want to dance tonight. And to use it in a question with chi, the formal or plural you. Dach chi eisiau dawnsio heno? Do you want to dance tonight? Chris, wyt ti eisiau dawnsio?
I would, but I have 2 left feet.
Digon teg, fair enough.
The final grammar point in this unit is using eisiau when talking about other people and using their names. For example, mae Gareth eisiau or mae Mari eisiau.
Finally, you have learned the names of the most common colours. Gwyn, white.
Gwyrdd, green.
Glass, blue.
Porffor, purple.
Coch, red.
Pink, pink.
Oren, orange.
Melyn, yellow.
Llwyd, grey.
Brown, brown.
D, black.
That's it for this unit recap, but remember to use the resources on the national website, learnwelsh.cymru, and look for the resources section. That's it for now. Pob hwyl am y tro.
Yeah, hwyl.
Diod. Blodyn. Dŵr. Halen. Hufen iâ. Pysgodyn, pysgod. Rhywbeth. Sglodion. Tŷ, tai. Cael. Clywed. Deall. Eisiau. Nofio. Arall. Dyma. Rhywbeth arall. Gwyn. Du. Gwyrdd. Glas. Porffor. Coch. Pink. Oren. Melyn. Llwyd. brown